So last time I went for a ride, me and Jim Bob got out and did a bit of a lap of our local forest, which is the Woodigan Mountains, and then I got about 5k's from home and my gearbox started playing up. So I limped at home, stuck in second gear. That was about 3 weeks ago. So the gearbox is shot in my engine. Bike's got 48, well at the time had about 48,800 k's on it, which is a bit disappointing from Triumph, but that's what happens. So I have found a second-hand motor with 12,200 k's on it, and I ducked up to the boys' place for the weekend with plenty of beers on board. And we took the old motor out, put the new motor in. Bike runs like a dream. I've been and had the RMS and the insurance mob all changed over. Beautiful. Old engine out. New second-hand engine in. 12,200 k's. Rides, does everything perfectly. There's a check engine light on the dashboard, but that's probably because when we put this engine in, we put the original throttle bodies and injector rail with it, and the bike didn't like it, wouldn't either, so we put off throttle bodies and engine fuel rail off my engine on this one. Now it's runs sweet. So I took the time to paint my crash bars and do all that stuff while I had the bike in pieces. So I've ridden it on the road probably 2 or 3 times, only done about 200 k's. Just about to go for a quick run over Mount Sugarloaf, just to make sure it's all good. Sugarloaf Range Road. Alright. See the damage the water's done to the road. Just let go. Sure, these erosion humps would be heaps of fun on a little bike. On the big bike you got to give them a bit of love. Road closed, no entry. Oh, well that just sucks balls. reckon? Crikeys. Not on my own. Well, that's probably not going to work. It's just the road going over is closed, but that was all right. And then probably could get up that side actually, look at it, but I'm on my own. I didn't want to do anything silly. So, painted my crash bars, painted my luggage racks, my bash plate again. The bags, where the bags go, just worn the paint off of it while I had it apart. I'll touch everything up. So, second-hand dock, 12,000 Ks on it, and it was immaculate when we checked it out. I don't know if it had ever been off-road, I don't think so. Went for a walk, had a look up the picnic area. It's just on the other side of that corner really, but I don't think I'll bother riding up there on my own. It's not too hot, but I've got to sweat up. Get on that side. Beautiful. Music back on. The Rolling Stones. It's pretty chopped up, isn't it? So we have had a fair bit of rain the last couple of weeks. Alrighty. Well, that's a bit disappointing that this road's up here is closed, but should be right. Bit of Keb Mo. Most people probably don't know who Keb Mo is. You turn down there, where it says road closed, make your way down to Freeman's Waterhole. That's where Jim famously went over the handlebars of the DR. It was the slowest, funniest crash ever. Loved it. Said it before and I'll say it again. Upgraded suspension, worth its weight in gold. Probably it was the best upgrade you can do to your bike, is upgraded suspension. Let's go back to road mode. Road mode, Bonza.